A writer has the choice to either in both these extra and adjectives and to give very little background information, words at you. She had a lawyer and a restraining order. So he took a few things, boarded a bus, and went to live near the ocean in a room in a house owned by a man. Anticlimax and bathos. Now, you know how in a drama play that you've read, anticlimax, it means that expect now a little bit different.
Hi there, I'm Teacher Morgan, and today we're going to have a look, and it's revision, but we're going to have a look at an anticlimax, irony, and sarcasm. So I'm sure climax. This is a disappointing end to an exciting or impressive series of events. So when you're reading Good day, I'm Teacher Morgan. Today we'll be looking at writing an argumentative essay. Either agree with that topic completely or you are
Hallo julle, in hierdie les gaan ons na die tweede deel kyk van die ongelooflike avonture van Hannah Hoekom. Nou wanneer ons na die omslag van ons boek kyk, sal julle sien dat belangstellings so dit gesin ken, wat 'n heks wil hinder. Nou Hannah beskryf hulle nuwe huis. Onthou ek het vir julle gesê